हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसपीएस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस वन के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। प्लस वन में चैप्टर 4 इज गोइंग ऑन। चैप्टर 4 इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर एंड quantization. Now complex number in your syllabus in this chapter. In this chapter 4, complex number I have explained 1, 2, 3 lectures over. This is the lecture 4 on chapter 4. 3 lectures में exercise 4.1 and the definitions of complex number, standard form of complex number, modulus of complex number, conjugate of a complex number, and today forward we are going, and yesterday one multiplicative inverse also done. Now after that, our argand plane, ARGA and argand plane means as in the coordinate geometry, we are plotting the point in the quadrant x axis and the y axis. So here, same as in coordinate geometry, same in this argand plane is that in which one line x-axis is the real number line, it is real line, and y-axis is imaginary line. Imaginary line. This y-axis. Okay. These both lines are perpendicular as in coordinate system quadrant. These are quadrant, but here what is the only we can say in the complex number. Okay, let us suppose any point is complex number. This is the magnitude of the complex number. Z magnitude means that modulus of Z. This point A comma B. You have done this point P. Then we know this is the A and this is B. Then you know what is Z? Complex number A plus B iota. Iota is imaginary line iota along the y-axis, iota. And value of iota, what is the value of iota? I told you it is unity but root -1. This is the iota. And iota scale, you know, whole square of this is equal to -1. Iota square is -1 and iota is root -1. Standard form of the complex number Z is equal to A plus iota B. Now, question arrived at plane, argand plane, plane, one plane. In this one plane, many points are there, and point coordinate A comma B, coordinate of the point A comma B. Then, if A0, x-axis 0 and comma B, this point. So where will be this point? On y-axis. On y-axis, this point will on y axis. So here b iota, if we are writing, if this is complex number z, if this, then it is on, it is on y axis. Okay, axis same here, y axis and x axis. तो x axis पर कौन पॉइंट होगा, इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा, एंड जो y axis पर पॉइंट है देन x कोऑर्डिनेट 0. x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 मींस 0, vi, this, तो 0 plus vi, this z. तो पॉइंट क्या हो गया, 0, b, this point 0, b on y axis. First. Second, if z is equal to here a any real number and plus 0 iota, it means b 0, it means b equal to 0. Here a 0, then on y axis, if b 0, then this complex number on y coordinate 0 on x axis. So this point on x axis. So means these are two complex numbers. Write this representation 0 plus b iota, a plus 0 iota. Then you know that in the coordinate system, the same thing here. On x axis every point y coordinate 0, on y axis every point on y axis x coordinate 0, x coordinate a 0. If a 0 x coordinate, then on y axis. If b 0, then y coordinate 0, then on x axis. So these points in the x, y, and y is the imaginary line. Y is imaginary line here. This is the difference only we can say in the coordinate system. Coordinate system both real number line. Here y axis perpendicular axis to the horizontal line. This is called the imaginary line. काल्पनिक. Okay? और ये real number line x axis. This is the difference. So point you know a comma b, x comma y. Okay? So if anywhere, then we can say what is modulus z. You know, modulus z is equal to square root ये by Pythagoras theorem a square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem. This is OP. Okay, beta, it is OP from origin to the point P, any point. Okay, so like this system, imaginary line, x-axis real number line, and a plus iota b for that complex number. So it is called complex, okay, number representation in the आर्गेंट प्लेन. इसको क्या बोला, आर्गेंट प्लेन. आर्गेंट प्लेन का मीनिंग ही यही है कि y एक्सिस इमेजिनरी लाइन. बाकी सभी उसी तरह से है जैसे कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में, पॉइंट उसी तरह से. ओके, तो एनी इफ आई एम आस्किंग इफ 3 रियल नंबर है 3, क्या होगा 3 मींस रियल नंबर 3 एंड आयोटा यहाँ 0 है, तो 3 प्लस 0 आयोटा. ये कहाँ आएगा, नंबर 3 कहाँ आएगा, 3. ये एक आपका 3 प्लस आयोटा बी है, तो a is 3 and b is 0. Here, take understand. So this is also complex number. Okay, complex number. Every real number is also a complex number. Okay, understand, every real number is also a complex number. ठीक है, as 3 I have written 3 plus 0 iota, यानी iota means coefficient of iota means y coordinate that 0. Okay, if only real number. Clear? So we can say this, if here x कोऑर्डिनेट 0, यू नो इफ x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 then on y एक्सिस, फिर y एक्सिस पे पॉइंट हो जाएगा, ये किस पर आएगा, x एक्सिस। डन। तो लाइक दिस यू शुड नाउ आफ्टर दैट we can do the question here. Question number 1 in miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise question 1. Evaluate. Question 1. Evaluate. Evaluate. ठीक है बेटा? Out of power 18. Out of power 18 plus 1 upon iota. Whole power 25. Then and close bracket whole power 3. Evaluate. This is the question 1. So evaluate means solve, simplify. Iota 18. How can write solution? I told you iota square की फॉर्म में लिखना होता है. Iota square power how much? 9 and 2 18. Okay. Iota square power 9. क्लियर हो गया. 18 plus 1 upon 1 power 25, 1 only, and iota power 25 means iota square power 24, 12 to the 24, power to power multiply होती है तो 12 into 2, 24 and into iota power 1. This we can write, simplify inside with the help of iota square these iota powers. Okay, written. After that, iota square value we know. I told you many times that is minus 1. So iota square value minus 1 and iota cube value, if you want, what is that? Iota square into iota. We can write iota square minus 1 into iota. So minus iota. Iota cube value is equal to iota. Okay, and so on. We can find. So now here iota square power that is minus 1 power 9. Okay, plus 1 upon minus 1 power 12 into iota. This whole power 3 as it is. Whole power 3 as it is. Okay. Now simplify. Minus 1 power odd. 9 is odd. So minus 1, because minus 1 3 times odd. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, then minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So odd power है तो minus 1 result will be there and plus 1 upon, if power even then positive 1 into iota. Okay, this whole power 3. Then simplify. Minus 1 plus 1 upon iota. What we can write? Conjugate कर सकते हैं. Iota से multiply iota into iota power 3. Then we can write minus 1 as it is. iota square value we can put plus iota upon minus 1. Iota square minus 1. So this is whole cube. So this is simplest form, that minus 1 and minus iota power whole power 3. Then both are negative, so negative common, minus 1 common, and then whole cube, and into positive was minus common, then 1 plus iota whole power 3. Like this we can write, and minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, and then whole cube, a cube, 1 cube 1, a cube plus b cube, iota cube plus 3, a square 1 square 1 into b plus 3, b square into a, b square iota square into 1. Finish. Okay. Then after that, minus out, simplify inside. Iota square is minus 1, so minus 3 and plus 1. Minus 3 and plus 1. So minus 2. iota square value मैंने put कर दिया कितना? minus 1. I put this. Okay. And then now iota cube value, I told iota cube value is minus iota. Remember, so direct minus iota and plus के 3 iota, minus 1 iota plus 3 iota plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 iota. Okay, clear? Plus 2 iota. Again you see minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and iota cube minus iota minus 1 iota and plus के 3 iota, so plus के 2 iota. Done. Done. Then this minus inside. Okay. Then plus k2 and minus k2 iota. Answer. This is the simplification of this. Clear? Okay. Here, be careful. Even and odd, power odd. Then minus 1, power even. Then 1. Okay. Done. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 2 from the miscellaneous exercise. They prove that for any two complex numbers Z1 Z2. Prove that real of Z1 into Z2 is equal to real Z1 into real Z2 minus imaginary Z1 into imaginary Z2. तो ये प्रूव करना है. इसके लिए एग्जांपल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ले लो. ठीक है. Let Z1 is equal to A plus iota B and Z2 is equal to C plus iota D. A, B, C, D any real number. Let D. Okay. Prove. So take left hand side. What we have to prove? Take left hand side. Left hand side is अभी real ऐसे real ऐसे रखे Z1 into Z2. So real of Z1 is A plus iota B into Z2. C plus iota D. Algebra. Complex number multiplication algebra. This LHS तो रियल अभी ऐसे ही रखे हैं. Real part of multiply these both complex number each to each term a plus a into c ac a into iota d plus iota ad. Okay, then iota b into c bc iota bc plus iota ec and iota b into iota d. Iota into iota, iota square and bd. This real part of this. Now simplify. Real part first simplify inside. Like that, iota square value -1. Put this value. Then minus bd हो जाएगा. Minus bd and plus ac real part with real part. Simplify algebra ac minus bd. Okay, real part हो गया and imaginary part these. Okay, which are these plus iota common ad plus bc ad plus bc ad plus bc. Simplest form, real part with real part and imaginary with imaginary. Algebra only. Addition, subtraction. Okay. Now here, this is real part of this. This is real part or this is imaginary part. Okay, iota coefficient imaginary part and this real part of this is AC minus BD. So we can say real of this means only AC minus BD. Real means this. Okay, understand, this is important. Real part of this whole number, complex number is AC minus BD. And that A, what is A? A is the real part of Z1. So A we can say real part of Z1. It is real part of Z1. And C is the real part of Z2. Real part of Z2. Real part of Z2. ठीक है, minus B. What is B? B is the imaginary part of Z1. Understand? This is the imaginary part. B is the imaginary part of Z1 and into D. D means imaginary part of Z2. Imaginary part of Z2. Done is equal to RHS. Check. This is your RHS. Okay, real part of Z1, real part of Z2 minus imaginary part Z1 into imaginary part Z2. Hence proof. And for any two complex numbers Z1 and Z2, this is truth. Okay, done. Now next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 3 is reduce 1 upon 1 minus 4 iota minus 2 upon 1 plus iota bracket close into 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota bracket close to the standard form. यानी ये हमें रिड्यूस करना है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म मीन्स a plus iota 4 iota b. a plus iota b4. To simplify algebra of complex number, multiply, rule, addition, subtraction, you know, same algebra. So then solution of this is, take LCM only, that is subtraction. So 1 minus 4 iota into 1 plus iota. This is LCM. So 1 plus iota into 1, 1 plus iota minus 2 into 1 minus 4 iota. minus 2 into 1 minus 4 iota. तो minus 2 की मल्टीप्लाई साइन चेंज होगा. तो minus 2 into 1 minus 2 and minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8 iota. I solve this, okay, and then after that into this 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota. Okay, now what you have to do? Numerator simplify, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Then here like 8 iota 1, 9 iota and 1 minus 2 minus 1. So I am doing direct. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 and minus 1 into minus 4 iota plus 4 iota. minus 1 की मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब now after that plus iota and plus 8 iota यानी 9 iota. 9 iota into 3, 9 3 जा 27 iota. Okay, 9 iota into 4 iota minus 10, so minus 9 4 जा 36 iota into iota, iota square. This I multiply both and denominator also multiply. First this multiply 1 into 1, 1 into plus iota minus 4 iota into 1 minus 4 iota and minus 4 iota into plus iota minus 4 iota square. Into 5 iota. 5 plus iota. But simplify and multiply. And like iota square value put. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1. Put this. So plus 36 minus 3. So plus 33. Okay. And 27 and 4 plus 4 and 31 iota. Okay, beta. Like upon iota square value minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 and plus 1 plus get 5 and plus 1 and minus 4 minus 3 iota into 5 plus iota. Now this numerator 33 plus 31 iota upon multiply. Okay, beta. Now 5 5 is 25. 5 into iota plus 5 iota and minus 15 iota. सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूं मैं. 5 आयोटा हो गया प्लस के और माइनस के 15, तो माइनस के 10 आयोटा. both like I have solved. Okay, and 3 and iota square minus 3 iota square and minus plus 3. 3 iota square minus के हैं iota square minus 1 then minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, simplify now. This is 33 plus 31 iota upon 25 plus 3 28 minus 10 iota. Conjugate से multiply. Okay, 28 plus 10 iota. Conjugate of the denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator both. So this is plus 10 iota. Conjugate. Now multiply, simplify, each to each. 33 into 28. Okay, multiply. 8 3 is 24. 2 carry. 8 3 is 24. 2 3 is 6. 24 and 6 30. 30 and 2 32. 3 carry. 3 2 is 6. 6 3 9. 9 2 4. 9 2 4. Multiply 33 and 28. 33 into 10, 330 iota. Okay, now 31 iota into 33. 31 into 33. 3 1 is 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. 9 plus 3 12. Carry 1. 3 3 is 9. 1 10. 1023 plus 1023 iota. Okay, I done 31 into 28. Okay, 31 into 33. Okay, this is from here. Now I done 33 into 28. Okay, then 33 into 10. Okay, then 31 into 28. 31 into 28. 8 1 is 8. 8 3 is 24. And 2 1 is 2. That's 26. And 2 3 is 6. 6 and 2 8. 868. 868 iota. 868 iota. Okay. 868 iota. This 31 into 28 iota. Then 31 into 10. 310 iota square. So iota square value minus 1. So minus 310. Okay. 31 into 10 and iota square is minus 1. So 310 negative हो गया. Then each to each upon denominator. Also multiply a minus b, a plus b, a square, 28 square. 8 plus 64, 6 carry, 8 to the 16 and 16, 32, 32 and 38, 3 carry, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 784. Then 784 a square, 784 minus b square. B square is 10 iota square. So 10 times 100 iota square minus 100 iota square. B square. Okay. Now this simplify. Now like subtract 4 minus 0, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, 9 minus 3, 6. And both add here iota plus 8 plus 0, 8. and 6 plus 3 9 and 8 plus 3 11 divide by 784 minus 1 into minus 100 to plus 100 then this 4 से डिविजिबल है 4 टू जा 8 4 9 जा 36 38 नो तो देन 2 ओनली कॉमन है तो जो कॉमन है वो निकाल लो 2 कॉमन 2 3 जा 6 2 7 जा 14 plus 2 5 जा 10 and 19 2 9 जा 18 and 2 9 जा 18 and then upon to यहाँ कौन मिलेंगे पहले तो ऐड कर लो सीधा 700 and 100 884 2 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा 2 4 जा 8 2 4 जा 8 2 जा 4 442 and we can write 307 upon 442 and plus okay plus 599 upon 442 iota. This is standard form. Standard form. Answer. Okay, beta. Like this we can do. Easy to solve. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 4 is if x minus iota y value is equal to square root a minus iota b upon c minus iota d given, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. How can prove? Now this what is given? Take this x minus iota y is equal to root a minus iota b upon c minus iota d. It is given. So take this and taking conjugate both sides. Taking these two complex number left and right hand equal, taking conjugate. और conjugate भी equal होनी चाहिए. Okay? Taking conjugate both sides. ठीक है बेटा? Then what will come conjugate of this is x plus iota y हो जाएगा. Sign change iota term. Okay? ये माइनस था प्लस हो गया. यहाँ भी माइनस के प्लस हो जाएंगे. तो a plus iota b upon c plus iota b. This equation 1, this equation 2, multiply both. ठीक है? Multiply both equation. What we get? Left hand x minus iota y into x plus iota y. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square iota square y square, a square minus b square. Okay, left hand into left hand, so root of this into root of this, numerator into numerator, so root a minus iota b into root a plus iota b upon root C minus iota d into root C plus iota d. Okay, then iota square will be -1, so minus minus plus, so it is x square plus y square is equal रूट इंटू रूट, तो रूट के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होती है रूट 2 इंटू रूट 3, 3 2 जा 6 रूट 6, ठीक है। तो रूट दिस रूट दिस तो स्क्वायर रूट एंड मल्टीप्लाई, ओके, a माइनस आयोटा b इंटू a प्लस आयोटा b, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर आयोटा स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर अपॉन similarly denominator multiply, then c minus iota d, c plus iota d multiply both in the square root, then c minus iota d into c plus iota d. Direct we can write a square minus b square, and c square minus iota square b square. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज किया, a प्लस b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. Use this identity, okay. So this x square plus y square equal square root, हाँ जी, multiply, then what will come, a square minus minus plus b square upon b square plus b square. This, now what we have to prove, whole square. We have to prove whole square of this is equal to this. Now this, taking square both sides, taking square both sides, taking square both sides, what will come, x square plus y square होल स्क्वायर, ये रूट हट जाएगा, ठीक है, क्या बनेगा, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर अपॉन c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर एज प्रूफ। ये प्रूव करना था, डन, ओके। So like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must guide to the forward friends. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. And उनको ये कहना कि सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें, क्योंकि सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद सारे नोटिफिकेशंस everything you will get easily. And link of the last videos of the last chapters, if you want to watch, you can go in the descriptions of this video, because I will give the link of the all videos which you can see easily. Okay, thank you.